What's up, guys? Today we got a super cool treat for you. We just got the Matco truck fixed, so Mr. Joe Gonzales is going to give us a tour and introduce himself to you guys. So let's take a look, see what Joe has got on his truck today. Well, before we show the truck, we'll get you to introduce yourself and tell everybody what areas you run.
My name's Joe Gonzales. I'm in Columbus, Mississippi, Fulton, Aberdeen, West Point, Amory, Mississippi, and Hamilton, Alabama.
Oh, you got a big area.
I have a very big area.
Well, that's good. It's a nice toolbox. That's a big one. I like the way you got it labeled too on there. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, you got a nice set of inventory here.
Really nice.
Another nice box at the back right there too.
Yeah, you got a roll cart right here too.
It's hard for people to grasp how many tools is on a tool truck until
It is until you see it in
they
person.
actually get on one, because you guys utilize every inch of it. You got her stocked full too.
Yeah, I try to keep it full.
So how long you been doing this?
Since April, 1st of April this year, not very long at all. So you guys getting my truck up and running for me has helped out a great deal.
Good deal. Man, you got a lot of stuff on here. You got stuff our guy don't have.
Mike's gonna have to step up his game now.
Uh-oh. Look at that. Those are nice.
Yeah, that's my black box.
Yeah, that's true. Actually, if you threw it all on the floor, that would be your black box. Man, that is a pretty box right there. Holy cow. That black, what kind of finish is that? Like a hammer?
It's black vein.
Man, that is beautiful.
This is kind of cool. It's got a slide out on the side too. It's got another one right there.
Sweet.
Here's like paperwork or something.
Oh yeah, that's where you.
Yeah,
That's where you can put all your Matco receipts. That is a nice box. What series box is this?
That's the Revel X.
Revel X.
See what this guy does for you? Not just, little candies.
Free snacks. We gotta have a talk with Michael. We're gonna have to have a talk with Michael.
This guy's route.
We're gonna have to have a talk with Michael.
I didn't mean to get him in trouble. So.
Uh-oh. Yeah, you have got a well-stocked truck. So if anybody is in Columbus, West Point, Fulton, did you say?
Yep.
Aberdeen, Hamilton,
Amory.
and Amory. And you don't go by their shop.
Give me a call.
Tell everybody.
662-791-1401.
There you go. Guys, y'all want to get on this truck, I'm telling you.
Lord, yeah.
And buy that box, because it is awesome. That is a really nice box. And you can have that box for a low $35 a week.
Yeah, got that one on the scratch and dent set.
Whew, that is awesome. $35 a week.
Where is the scratch and dent?
Those tiny little scratches right there
Oh,
on the
Lord.
front, and
Oh, my
the
goodness.
back panel's dented up a little bit.
I'm going to get on Michael's truck and tell him to order me one of them, take a screwdriver to it. That is a nice set. Look at this, guys. You can get this cart, cordless impact, socket, wrenches, and a string light for $15 a week. You can't even eat a hamburger for $15 a week. So you can get you a Matco roll cart.
Yes, sir. What is that?
Look at that, $1,000 gift
Silver
certificate.
connectors. That's actually pretty cool right there.
Look at all the sunglasses. They got sunglasses everywhere. Everywhere. You got a lot of ratchets too. Look at all them.
Goodness.
That's a lot of them. Well, Joe, we're not going to keep you no longer. You got an awesome truck.
Thank you.
That you
Very well stocked. and hopefully some of our guys will be giving you a call, and maybe you can go by their shop and they can buy that awesome toolbox.
Yes, sir. I'd love to sell it.
Listen, Wally, can you transfer?
And he's like, I'm kidding.
I can,
Michael
Yeah.
ain't got it.
yep, I can
That's true.
give him a call right now.
All right, guys, be sure to give Joe a call. He's got an awesome truck, super awesome dude. If you can't get along with this guy, you really have some major issues. Like always, thanks for watching this video. Be sure to hit that thumbs up and click that subscribe button right down there. You guys have a great one. Catch you next time.
Would you take my Matco in on trade?
Shut up, Wally.